Click on the link below to get price. The pen KIT of VSF DRV ASY ALM 356922Z is an exceptional writing instrument that stands out for its blend of functionality, design, and comfort. This pen is a part of a premium line that caters to both enthusiasts and professionals who prioritize quality in their everyday writing tools. One of the first aspects that catches your eye is the sleek and modern design. The aluminum body gives it a sophisticated look, while the ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip. This feature is especially important for those who spend long hours writing or sketching, as it minimizes hand fatigue. The pen's weight is balanced perfectly, providing a smooth flow with minimal pressure needed. The ink quality is another highlight of the pen KIT of VSF DRV ASY ALM 356922Z. It uses a high-viscosity ink that delivers consistent, vibrant lines without any skipping or blotting. Whether you are jotting down notes, drafting ideas, or creating detailed illustrations, the pen offers an effortless writing experience. Additionally, the quick-drying properties of the ink make it suitable for left-handed users, who often struggle with smudging. A unique feature of this pen is its versatility. The refillable ink cartridge system is not only eco-friendly but also allows users to customize their writing experience according to their preferences. With an array of colors available, you can switch from classic black to vibrant colors with ease, making it perfect for creative projects or professional documents alike. Durability is also a key factor in this pen's design. The robust materials ensure that it can withstand daily wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for various environments, from the office to the classroom. In conclusion, the pen KIT of VSF DRV ASY ALM 356922Z is a remarkable writing tool that excels in both design and performance. Its combination of style, comfort, and high-quality ink makes it a must-have for anyone serious about their writing experience. Whether for personal use or as a gift, this pen is sure to impress.